What are the differences between Army, Navy, and Air Force basic training? Imagine stepping into a world where every day pushes you to your limits and shapes you into a soldier, sailor, or airman. Each branch has its own way of preparing new recruits for the challenges ahead. So, what sets them apart? Let's break down the main differences between Army, Navy, and Air Force basic training. First, the length and location vary quite a bit. Army basic training lasts about 10 weeks and takes place at several bases like Fort Benning in Georgia, Fort Jackson in South Carolina, Fort Leonard Wood in Missouri, Fort Sill in Oklahoma, and Fort Knox in Kentucky. Navy boot camp is shorter, usually 7 to 9 weeks, and is only held at the Recruit Training Command in Great Lakes, Illinois. The Air Force training is around 8.5 weeks long and happens at Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas. Now the focus of each training program is different. The Army emphasizes physical endurance, weapon handling, teamwork, and combat skills. Recruits learn to use rifles and machine guns and participate in field exercises that mimic real combat situations. They also take the Army Combat Fitness Test, which includes deadlifts, power throws, sprint drag carry, planks, push-ups, and a 2-mile run. The Navy's training centers on naval customs, shipboard life, water survival, and seamanship. Recruits learn firefighting, damage control, and emergency procedures specific to life at sea. Physical training is tough but tailored to prepare them for ship environments. The Air Force combines physical fitness with classroom lessons about air and space operations. Recruits learn discipline, weapons handling, and Air Force customs, with a focus on developing skills for specialized roles. Physical fitness standards are different too. The Army requires passing the Army Combat Fitness Test, which tests strength, endurance, and agility. The Navy's fitness test involves push-ups, sit-ups, and a 1.5-mile run, with training designed to meet those standards. The Air Force fitness test also includes push-ups, sit-ups, and a 1.5-mile run, but it emphasizes overall fitness and endurance. The environment and culture are unique for each branch. Army basic training is known for its intensity, focusing heavily on combat skills and mental toughness. It's structured in phases, starting with basic skills and moving to advanced field exercises. Navy boot camp is all about getting recruits used to life at sea, with a big focus on teamwork and ship protocols. Air Force training balances physical conditioning with classroom learning, reflecting the technical nature of many Air Force jobs. All branches start with an orientation phase where recruits complete paperwork, get uniforms, undergo medical exams, and receive haircuts. Each branch then teaches its own customs, courtesies, and values to prepare recruits for their specific service culture. After basic training, Army soldiers usually go to advanced individual training to learn their military occupational specialty. Navy and Air Force recruits move on to technical schools or job-specific training. Knowing these differences helps recruits prepare mentally and physically for the unique demands of their chosen branch. Basic training isn't just about physical strength. It's about building discipline, resilience, and the right mindset for military life. Each branch shapes its recruits to meet the needs of its operational environment, making sure they're ready for whatever comes next.